Good afternoon, families. It is Thursday, May 22nd, 2025, and I'm coming to you with our science report for the week. We'll get right into our top two. There is no school this next coming Monday, May 26th, in observance of Memorial Day. So I just want to extend a thank you to all the families who are honoring and remembering fallen men and women that were serving in our U.S. military. Thank you for your honor and service. Number two, huge shout out to our amazing PTO again for getting our finally realized mad science slime assembly from our fall fun run to finally happen. I did hear that it was kind of a difficult time getting everything to come together, but you held in there, you persevered, and we had a fantastic slime assembly, so thank you for that. Now let's just get into our regular vlog points for the week. In English module block, students are finally realizing and finishing up their 4-paragraph opinion essay about water and access to water and safe water around the world, and beginning to plan what they are going to say in their public service announcement. Now, this video project means they're going to have to do a little bit of recording, probably about 1 minute or so. They are also, in conjunction with this project, writing a letter to invite someone to come and learn all about water pollution and the ideas and action steps that we think people should take to make the world a better place. The example we used is this letter that had a few kindergartners write, say about 8 years ago. In this gigantic envelope, we wrote to our principal all about how we could improve our courtyard by maybe starting a garden and planting some flowers. Now, in math, yay, students began our last module 6 for math, learning all about how to tell time to the nearest minute. Time essence is great. Solving problems then also involving time. So this relates to the minutes on a clock, the total number of minutes on a number line where each mark represents 5 minutes as you go around the dial or face of a clock. Students are also going to be solving problems to find the start time and the end time, but also the elapsed time, how much, through different activities. So really cool, really important, and just good practice all around. In science, students are investigating rocks and minerals. So I got some rocks and minerals to show you right here. So we are investigating rocks and minerals by looking at 12 samples. Oh, can you see it? Can you see it? There we go. 12 samples of some different specific observations and rocks that we are looking at. Now, we're using some observation and note-taking techniques and then sharing notices and wonders in small groups, investigating 12 specific samples. Now, we did this by writing down the properties observed, including color, shape, size, texture. We even actually noticed some of our rock samples have a smell, which is something you actually do as a scientist. We then conducted some of our first experiments to provide students with just the knowledge and the data to start determining the names of the specimens, because up to this point, I haven't told them what they are. Today, we learned about something called luster, or the way that light reflects off of a mineral's surface. So, for example, I can hold up a sample right here out of this rock case, and you might notice how the light reflects off of this surface of this very specific thing. Now, we are going to continue with these experiments, looking at different properties of our samples, which will also then include hardness, a hardness test using the Mohs scale, a streak test that reveals the true color of each specimen, and finally, an acid test to determine if our samples have any calcium carbonate. So something that we've actually done already in our erosion science, but we'll kind of build on that. So along the way, we're going to see all sorts of interesting things, including big giant fun samples and even some petrified samples and some fossils. So really cool stuff. Hopefully we'll be warming up soon. So hopefully as that happens, just make sure we're sending water bottles and things like that, but bundle up because right now it's got really cold again. Yeah, the year's starting to wind down. Hot dog day's coming up. We're gonna find a time where we're gonna do a celebration of learning for our module, where we're gonna hopefully invite families to come on in and take a look at our opinion essays and our PSAs. More information on that to come, as we've got to figure out when that will be, when students, of course, have completed their work. That said, I hope you are happy and healthy where you are. I hope you are getting outside if you can over this longer weekend before Memorial Day. Please make sure you stay happy and healthy and enjoy some of that warm weather wherever you are, and hopefully bring it back so we get some warm weather between now and the end of the year. And I'll see you when I see you. Have a fantastic longer weekend. Bye.